In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Google Chrome if you want to make a web page appear smaller so you can see more content on the screen at once. Google Chrome makes that very easy. Zooming out is especially helpful when text, images, or page elements look too large, or when a website feels a little too cramped on your display. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the web page where you want to adjust the view. This setting changes how large the page appears inside your browser window, and it can make browsing much more comfortable depending on your screen size and personal preference. Now, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main settings and controls menu, where you'll find several options related to browsing, printing, saving pages, and more. For this task, the section you want to focus on is the zoom control. Inside that menu, find the minus symbol next to the zoom percentage. When you click the minus button, Chrome will zoom out, which means the content on the page becomes smaller. You can click it once for a small adjustment, or continue clicking until the page looks the way you want. As you do this, the zoom percentage will decrease, giving you a clearer idea of how far you've zoomed out. Take your time while adjusting it so the page remains readable. Zooming out too much can make text and buttons harder to see, so it's a good idea to stop once you find a comfortable balance between visibility and screen space. This can be especially useful for looking at large tables, wide websites, or pages where you want to see more without scrolling as much. If needed, you can always return to the same menu and adjust the zoom again later. Chrome remembers your changes for that page or website in many cases, so this can be a convenient way to customize your browsing experience. That's all you need to do to zoom out on Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click the three dots, and use the minus button to reduce the zoom level until the page looks right for you. It's a quick and simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how easy a website is to use.